Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to MindYourCrypto. Today we have MATIC Network Polygon daily update. Before we begin though, only 50 people are available of joining our monthly subscription, guys, and having automated signal buying opportunities, personal videos, personal guidance, and many more, because I can't afford having more, guys. There's no time, so it is very simple, guys, why I have a limit there. And join now before it is too late. Also join our Telegram group chat, link is in the description down below as well. Let's see, guys, some important things right here. First of all, 1.20 to 1.32 and of course our 0.618 to 1.421 our price targets. Losing 1.11 to 1.07 isn't so good. These are our major support levels for now. Drawing the Fibonacci retracement from this top right here, guys, back on 15 June 1.70, ending to this bottom right here 92 cents 93 around 12:22 June, right? So I'm going to find major resistance levels in case we are going upwards. We found the first one right here, 1.22. Actually, we surpassed the first 1.11, then we went to 1.22. We are finding a bit of resistance in here, mainly because the Bitcoin is going down and we depend a lot on Bitcoin. I will show you the MATIC Bitcoin chart. Let's see now the MACD. The MACD doesn't look good, guys, from the moment we went down from this support level right here. It doesn't look good. I would actually be very happy if we can have a swing high, a significant swing high here, but it is very unlikely to retest this one right here, guys, the 0.07 for the MACD as well. Let's go now to the MATIC USDT, guys, on the 4-hour frame to see that the SSL channel, the red line, is above the green line. Now we don't have a buying opportunity before we had, but as you can see, guys, the SSL channel can be wrong sometimes. Or most of the times. I don't know, I don't trust it on the 4-hour frame. However, it is good on the daily frame. Let's go now to the commodity channel index. You can see that we didn't even approach the 100. We weren't in an overbought situation, but because, guys, Bitcoin was, we just corrected right here. Same for the RSI, of course, we weren't in an oversold situation. Right now, guys, we can correct even more, right? We can grow even more, but we can correct even more. We are in an indecisive, guys, point where we want to see where are we going in the next few hours. Let's go now to the daily frame. On the daily frame, you know, when we are approaching the bottom line of the Bollinger Bands, we have buying opportunity. Here, for example, guys, also here, when we are having a very bearish market, an extremely bearish market, we might go along the bottom line of the Bollinger Bands, therefore not having a buying opportunity. According to the RSI, we can correct more. We are at 40, but according to the commodity channel index, guys, we can't correct more. I mean that we are already in an oversold situation. Of course, we can have a pattern like this following, but for now, guys, we are in an oversold situation. What we expect to do for MATIC is to eventually have a swing high in the next days, right? We expect that because it can't keep going on forever. We can't forever go along in this pattern, right? Even if we go in 20 days, then eventually sometime in the day we might go upwards as well, especially if the RSI reaches the 30 level. Let's go and see a little bit now the MACD before we go to the SSL hybrid. It is looking absolutely terrible, guys. You can see that we don't have any sign for now of having a bullish cross, and the SSL hybrid, you can see now that we don't have a buying opportunity. We don't have this blue arrow yet for the SSL hybrid. Let's go now to Polygon Bitcoin chart, guys. You can see on the 4-hour frame, as long as we are keeping this, we are fine. If we go down from this line, guys, we are going to retest some other support levels, like this one, for example, here, this one right here, the previous low we had formed on 23rd May, and so on. So therefore, guys, you should be very careful, because on the same time we can correct. Yes, we are going into an oversold situation, but we can correct more. You can see the lower high pattern following here right now, and we want to surpass, first of all, this resistance level right here. We want to go above, and of course, the more we go above, the better it will be for Polygon Bitcoin chart, right? But on the MACD, guys, it is looking okay as long as we don't go beyond this line right here. We are fine. If we go down beyond this line right here, we won't, and especially this red line right here. Let's go to the daily frame. On the daily frame, the bad thing here is that we are finding now the EMA as a resistance level, guys, and in case you didn't notice, we are about to see the 20-day EMA crossing and going beyond the 50-day EMA, the red line. So this means, guys, a very bearish scenario here. Of course, the commodity channel index is below minus 100, but according to the RSI, we can correct more. What we are hoping for is to hold the previous support line on the 4-hour frame and go all the way upwards. Look, we are in an oversold situation, guys. Of course, these moments are critical. We can't go against Bitcoin, but we need to see now for Bitcoin whether we are going to retest or we are going to perform a higher low than this level right here, 32,500. Going beyond, it is very scary and we will go all the way down. But for now, guys, we are correcting because of the commodity channel index being in an overbought situation. You can see here by yourselves, and now we are going down, right? But we don't want to go further down from this support level right here, because guys, eventually we might go further down. We want to avoid that, but also have in your mind that we are not so far down yet, because right here we are keep having the higher low pattern. What we want to see now is eventually stop around here and eventually maybe going above again and retesting some important resistance levels. For example, guys, the 35,800 and so on, the 36,500, or this level right here, because you will see the Fibonacci retracement I am holding right now, starting from this top right here, ending up to this bottom. You can see that we had one major resistance level here, the 0.5 Fibonacci retracement level, and we have one more, guys, at 36,500. I believe we have one more in between, according to my analysis, guys, the 35,800. So what that means for MATIC, first of all, we need to keep above this support level right here, and especially, guys, this one right there. So if we fall down from these two lines, guys, the first bear sign will be to go down from 1.11, 1.10, then we will lose some important ground right here. But at the same time, guys, it is very easy to reapproach the 1.32 once Bitcoin have this swing low or it doesn't go down from this support line right here, because now it is looking bearish. I know it is looking bearish, guys. You can see the bearish engulf candles right here, but we want to see eventually if we can stop a little bit above or at this level right here, for in particular, guys, 33,500, and then move upwards again. This will be fantastic. Keep having the higher high, higher low pattern. For MATIC, what this means? It means that, guys, we will reapproach the 1.32. Why not the 1.41 for MATIC, right? It will mean that these are our next price targets, and these remain our next price targets. In case we go down all the way right now, it is looking kind of scary. If we go down from 1.10, guys, I suggest you to wait right now. Of course, if you are a new investor, let's say you want to invest right now, I suggest you to wait for MATIC right now, because things are looking a little bit like we don't know on the 4-hour frame where are we going for now, but I believe soon we will have a swing high. We can't keep going on forever, guys. We might have a swing high like this, for example, or I'm not sure if we can go so further above or right, but we might have a significant swing high into 1.32, 0.5 Fibonacci retracement level. So therefore, guys, yes, it looks like a little bit bad in the price action for Bitcoin, but it doesn't look like this crash right here, for example, where we went going all the way down. It doesn't look like that. We need to stay calm a little bit and see if we can reapproach and retest the 32,600. It doesn't look like it's about to crash 27% in just one day like we had before, right? I don't believe that. However, we need to be careful on a bearish market. You can't be greedy on a bearish market. Patience, guys, is the key for success as well. So you know my price prediction already for Bitcoin. It is around 26,500, 26 to 27,000 Tether USDT. You know already my price prediction for Bitcoin. and I believe we will go there potentially, but we might be late for that, we might not, we will see if we can hold the 32,500. According to the commodity channel index, we can grow, we can correct more, but what we are hoping to see here is maybe forming a higher low pattern and eventually going upwards, because guys, eventually if we go down from this low here, then this won't be looking good for the commodity channel index in the 4-hour frame. So we keep having this, we need to see now losing the support, a critical moment, very critical moment for Polygon right now. Thank you guys. If you want to join our monthly subscription, only 50 people can join in, and of course join our Telegram group chat. Both of the links are in the description down below. Thank you for watching, have a fantastic day wherever you are. See you soon with many more videos. Of course I will be daily updating guys, do not worry about that. Thank you, see you soon, bye.